Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So this is going to be 2-in-1 review of SATA adapters and attempt to fix TrueNAS warning message, which reads as boot pool is consuming USB device SDA SDB, which is not recommended. So the prehistory. Some of you will face this choice, so you have limited number of SATA ports on your motherboard, on your HBA, and then you would like to offload some of boot drives to USB to SATA adapters, but not adapters are born equal. So if you search on the message here, you can see quite a few forum posts on TrueNAS community forums. Just let's see in the first one. So the problem is USB drives, not USB drives, but USB pen drives are not recommended for boot drives because there is lots of read and write operations happening. In my case, I'm using USB to SATA adapter, which I got out of Amazon. And just let's see what we have there. So just SATA to USB adapter, and what we get. So we get a lot. I got the cheapest one, probably this one. So it looks, there are quite a few of them which look identical. And then I got this adapter, and we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. So I have this warning. The problem is caused by TrueNAS not being able to read disk information, because when we go to disk information, disk temperature, I cannot get anything. Also there is only SDB, not SDA, and this happens with this cheap adapter. So I decided to test another one and got branded adapter. I think it was say brand. This adapter has long-ish cable. It's okay, and what we're going to do is we will do a live surgery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my TrueNAS box, and then I will pull one of those drives, and then I will insert, then I will change the adapter and see what happens with the error message. I will be back with you in a moment. As you could see, one of the drives no longer have this problem. So it's only drive D, and now let's refresh this status page or report page and see what we can find in there. Okay. So now we have two drives. Drive A is on this Sabrent SATA adapter. Link is in the description. And the other drive on generic SATA adapter. So as you can see, branded adapter allows to access SATA, not SATA, but smart data. And then we will see a temperature graph. So just for the sake of experiment, let's change another adapter on this system. So I will be back in a moment. Now, as you can see, second error is gone. So let's refresh report page once more. Voila. We have temperature reporting for both drives, and I would say it's worth investment of €5 just to have smarts available and your system being safe. So for some generic purposes, this adapter probably is fine. For TrueNAS branded, or one which allows to access smart data, is a little bit better. Thank you guys. Signing out. Stay tuned for some other tech hacks or whatever comes my way. Choose.